How to fix iolo product not updating properly or launching after installation. There may be remnants of a previous iolo product installation not accounted for by the new product's uninstall/install mechanism. A tool is needed to completely uninstall the previous iolo product. 1. Uninstall any iolo product on your system first. Required or this process may fail to. Download the uninstall repair tool from http://download.iolo.net/support/uninstallrepair.zip 3. Extract the application to your desktop. The file name will be uninstallrepair.exe. 4. Run uninstallrepair.exe. 5. Once the program has completed, install your iolo product. You should now be able to run your iolo product. Note, this is a temporary fix as this mechanism will be introduced in upcoming versions of all iolo products.